today we're going to work on the hips, making sure our hips don't lie. So let's get started with our hip postures today. So we lie back. Back is flat on the floor. If you want to stretch out the calf and the hip at the same time, you can do this against a wall. So your legs are hip distance apart, feet, knees, all hip distance apart. You're going to fold your right ankle over your left knee. Feel that leg opening up nicely, gently pressing the thigh open. And if you're doing this against a wall, you'll bring your heel up against the wall and just stay there, stretching out the calf as well. And if you don't want to do it against the wall and you want to deepen the hamstring and the hip opener, gently hold on to your left thigh and pull it in towards your body as far as your legs and your hips allow you. This is a reclining pigeon, a pigeon on your back. You're going to stay here for a good 6 to 7 long breaths. You can relax that foot if you like. Just feel the hamstring on the right leg and the hip joint opening up. And gently bring the leg back, switch sides. Right knee on the mat, right foot on the mat, left leg crossed over. First gently open up the leg. Pressing the thigh, opening up the hip joint, feeling the knee open up. Don't press onto the knee. The knee just works in line with the hip. So the knee is a hinge joint. This is the only movement it's meant to do, like a door. It only moves one way. Your hip is a ball and socket joint. It moves around, it moves up and back, it moves in and out. So that's what we're opening out. We're opening out the hip joint without putting pressure on the knee. Gently press back. If you're against a wall and you want to stretch out your calf along with this, press into the wall with your heel, foot nice and straight. If not, bring your hands underneath your right thigh and just pull the leg into the body, feeling the back of your left leg and your hip joint opening up. Try not to let the knee fold in. Try and keep it stretched as you're reaching your leg in towards you. Staying here for a nice 6 to 7 breaths. And bring the leg back to the floor. Stretch the knees, stretch the legs out, shake the legs out, shake your hands out, shake your head out slowly. And getting ready for a nice rest in the corpse pose. The hips are open. We've just done hip openers. So you can feel your hips, your knees and your heels all in one straight line, the legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Hands away from your body so your shoulders can open up. Try and rest your entire back down on the floor. Try not to let your lower back arch, pressing it gently down. Relaxing all the muscles in your neck, in your face, the jaw and the tongue relaxing, smoothing out the skin of your forehead. Just getting ready for a nice deep rest. Being aware of your breath. Allowing the abdomen to expand every time you inhale, allowing it to contract gently every time you exhale.